Hello guys, in this video we're gonna explore a very easy way to do the complex number calculations. So basically, for example, in circuit analysis or any other like field of science, we usually use complex numbers, especially for example in my specialization electrical engineering. When we do analysis for AC circuits, we use complex number a lot. Okay, and from time to time we have to like add complex numbers together, divide, multiply, convert from different form or of complex numbers, like from polar form to rectangular form and vice versa. So it's really, although it's doable, but it's really time consuming and very, very error prone. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to explore with you, show you like a very easy way to do these calculations, especially the division, which is like the one that literally takes very long time. Okay. So we're going to take an example here, 5 plus J4 divided by 6 minus J3. Okay. So the trick here is not to do it at all. Okay. Just to use like an online free complex number calculator that can do that for you in like, less than a second and, very accurate as well. So you're going to avoid errors at the same time, you will not like waste your time, both at the same time. Okay. So, the website is here, like hackmath.net. Okay, this website has many calculators, many calculators, and the one that we're gonna use today is basically the complex number calculator. So let's use that guy and find, this like example. But before that, I'm gonna do it first manually in the normal way, and then confirm what we get manually by looking at this calculator. Okay, this online calculator. So how to do that? So basically we have here a division. So when you have a division, it's easier to do the division using the polar form. Okay, this is basically rectangular form, which is real plus j some imaginary, or real part and the imaginary part. So it's good to convert, the rectangular, values here into polar form. Okay, so we have two complex numbers. Let's start by the first one, 5 plus J4. And for those of you that has no electrical engineering background, in electrical engineering we use J, not I, because I for us is a reserved symbol for the current. So that's why we use J, not I. Okay, just not to confuse ourselves. So we need to get we need to convert this into a polar form like R, angle theta. So since we have two numbers here, we're gonna say this is R1 and theta 1. So R1 basically is the square root of 5 square plus 4 square, which is the square root of like 25 plus 16, which is like 41, square root of 41. So let's do this using our another online calculator in here. So we have the square root. Let's go back to the main. And this is also very, very useful tool, desmos.com, calculator. So we have 41, which is like 6.4. And this is enough, Theta 1. Theta 1 is tan minus 1, the imaginary over the real, which is 4 over 5. So again, using Desmos here, so we can like get like a function, and we need here, let's enter first, tan minus 1, 4 divided by 5, which is angle 38.66. I just rounded like 5.9 into 6 degrees. Okay, this is the first rectangular value we have to convert. The second one is 6 minus J3. Again, this can be written as R2 angle theta 2. R2 is square root of 36 plus 9, which is 45. You can do also here. You don't have to like add it in yourself, you know, if you're really afraid of making any mistake. So we can say 36 plus 9, you know, which is like 45, you know. And this one is 6.7. So R2 is 6.7. How about theta 2? So it's 10 minus 1. Is the imaginary, which is minus 3 over the real, which is 6. So again, we can use this here. So we can use functions. 10 minus 1. You can say 3 over 6. Oh, we forget the minus, so without the minus. So minus 3 over 6, okay? And the angle is minus 26, minus 26.56. If you wanna like positive, you know, you can add like 33 degrees, 60 degrees, and it will give you like the positive angle, this one. Now we can write our problem in that way. 5 plus J4 divided by 6 minus J3 equal to R1 theta 1 divided by R2 theta 2. R1 is 6.4. Theta 1 is 38.66 divided by 6.7 angle minus 26.56. So that will be basically, you know, when you divide polar over polar, you know, you can just take like can divide the amplitudes together, 6.4 divided by 6.7, and you subtract the angle. So 38.66 minus 26. So it will be positive. 38.66 plus 26.56. We can just increase the width a little bit here. Yeah. 56. Yep. So let's calculate this very quick in here. So we have 6.4 divided by 6.7. That's 0.955 angle. Then we should add these guys together. So 38.66 plus 26.56. It is 65.22. Look how many we finished. That's basically the answer. And look how many like calculation we did. Like we did many. Look, so we have this one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 calculations. 6 calculations to get like the division of two like complex numbers. Now let's do that. You know, and we take maybe like let me check the time here. We take like not sure, you know, maybe 5 minutes. Yeah. So let's do that using like, you know, the complex number calculator we have. Here is the complex number calculator, and here is, you know, an example for you to follow. And by the way, here is he's using I, which is like the square root of minus 1. Also, we use J here, right? So this website accepts both. You can write J, you can write I. It's okay. So let's write J. Okay. So we have 5 plus J4 divided by 6 minus J3. And all what you need to do is to press calculate. First, it translates it into the I4 so that, you know, you are sure that you are using the same format as the website use, which is I. So it converted for you. So don't worry, you can use J. That's what I'm saying. 5 plus 4 multiplied by I, which is the square root of minus 1, divided by 6 minus 3 multiplied by I, which is the square root of minus 1 again. Now let's check the answer. So here is the answer. 0.9545. This was like the actual answer, but I just rounded the last 5 here into 5 because it's 4, 5. Okay. And how about the angle? 65. You know, and he just used like his minutes and seconds, but you know, it's basically correct. So don't worry about that. Okay, so that's basically, you know, the answer here. And as a tip for you, it also gives you the answer in the rectangular form. So if we want this to write this as a rectangular form, you don't need to reconvert it back to rectangular, because this website gives you the answer in rectangular form as well. So basically, the answer is also 0.4 plus 0.866 j or I, whatever you like. Okay. So that's basically, you know, in 1 second, you know, we get the same answers that we get with like 7 calculations. Okay, guys, that was it for this video. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.